Linux Mint versus Debian, which Linux distro is better? Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience stability and usability without compromising performance. Linux Mint offers user-friendliness, while Debian focuses on stability and control. Linux Mint and Debian are both popular Linux distributions, but they serve different purposes. Linux Mint is designed for ease of use with a polished desktop experience, while Debian prioritizes rock-solid stability and extensive software freedom, appealing to more experienced users. Linux Mint is a user-friendly Linux distribution based on Ubuntu and Debian, focused on providing a familiar desktop experience. It works by combining a stable base with a customized Cinnamon desktop environment, making it accessible for users transitioning from Windows or macOS. Its strengths lie in ease of installation, out-of-the-box multimedia support, and a rich software repository. Mint also offers a smooth, intuitive interface that requires minimal configuration, making it ideal for beginners and everyday users. However, Linux Mint may not always have the absolute latest software versions due to its focus on stability, and it relies on Ubuntu's updates, which can introduce occasional delays. Its ideal users are those who want a ready-to-use, reliable system with modern desktop features and minimal setup effort, especially on personal laptops or desktops where convenience matters most. Debian is a foundational Linux distribution known for its stability, security, and strict adherence to free software principles. It works by providing a minimal, highly customizable base system that users can build upon with a wide choice of desktop environments and software packages. Debian's strengths include its extensive package repository, long-term support, and a reputation for reliability in production environments. It is less focused on user-friendliness out of the box, requiring more manual setup and configuration. This makes Debian ideal for servers, developers, and advanced users who prefer control over their system and prioritize stability over cutting-edge features. Limitations include a steeper learning curve for new users and fewer pre-installed conveniences compared to Mint. Debian's ideal users are those who need a robust, secure system for critical tasks, or who want a clean slate to customize extensively. Comparing Linux Mint and Debian highlights a trade-off between usability and control. Linux Mint excels in desktop friendliness, making it perfect for users who want a hassle-free experience with multimedia support and a polished interface. It's suited for daily productivity, casual use, and newcomers to Linux. Debian, on the other hand, shines in environments where stability and security are paramount, such as servers or development machines. It offers more customization but demands technical knowledge. For example, a user wanting a laptop that works immediately with minimal tweaking should choose Mint, while a system administrator needing a stable server with predictable updates would prefer Debian. Mint's reliance on Ubuntu can sometimes introduce less tested updates, whereas Debian's conservative release cycle ensures fewer surprises. The choice depends on whether you value ease and modern features or prefer a secure, stable foundation. Choose Linux Mint if you want a polished, user-friendly desktop experience right away, especially for personal computers and users new to Linux. Debian is the better choice for those who prioritize stability, security, and control, especially in server or development environments. Both distros have strong communities and proven reliability, so select based on your needs for convenience or customization.